Welcome back, YouTube. Back to the Cap 232 build part 4. I believe in part 3 we left off with the wing, but I don't think I'm fully done with that yet. I might be adding some brace to that, but we'll see. Excuse me. But we are going to move on. We're going to go ahead and add the control rods and elevator and rudder control horns. As you can see, the control rods are already in, and what I have done is I've taken the rods and actually reversed them and put them through the other way to where they would slide through to mark where I actually need to poke my holes to put my rods in, which, as you can see, the tubing's already there, which is very nice. And as you can see, then I turned the wire back around and shoved it through the back half of the plane. Worked out perfect. Very happy with that. So we're going to go ahead and put on the control horns to the elevator and rudder and get that prepped and ready to go. Okay, we have the control horns on the elevator and the rudder, which they turned out great. Very happy with it. And just so you guys don't know, I don't know if I've ever told you this, but I use a hand drill to drill out all my holes for my control horns and whatnot. Works really great. So those are in. They look great. Now, just to show you, the rods are actually really long in this, so they will have to be cut down to fit, and which is kind of nice. I actually like them when they're long like that, because then you have room for adjustment, because I don't Z-bend those. I don't Z-bend it to fit straight on. I like to use the adjusters, which I bought some through Hobby King, but I like to use those. So here we go. We have the servos, and we're going to get these installed. They're the HXT 900s from Hobby King. They're $2 a piece. Well, $2 and some change. They're great working servos, and I believe they're 9 gram. Yeah, 9 gram servos, and very happy with them. And by the way, just for the voice, if you notice, the voice in the video is off a little bit. My video didn't work out right, so that's why I'm doing it like this. But anyways, the servos are in and installed. Very happy with it. Turned out great. And again, I used my drill for this too. Pre-poked smaller holes to get the screws to fit in. They tighten down very nicely. And all that is ready to go. So now I have to add the control surfaces, or the, servo arms onto the servos, which I'll be doing in the next video. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short. It's going to be, I'm going to do a picture slideshow now to show all the progress that we've done with the plane, and hope you guys like it. Please subscribe. There'll be more great videos coming your way, more builds, and all that good stuff. So make sure you subscribe. Check out the little picture video here at the end, and you guys have a good one.